Garlic in milk, cure for asthma, tuberculosis, cardiac problem, insomnia, arthritis, cough and many other diseases. Many years ago, many different kind of fruits, vegetables and culinary spices are used to help with a variety of health complications without the need for any other treatment. One such medicated drink good for overall well-being is the preparation of garlic milk made with goodness of garlic mixed in warm nourishing milk. Here is how you can make this remedy. Ingredients: peeled and minced garlic clove 10 numbers, milk 500 ml, water 250 ml, sugar 2 to 3 tablespoons. Preparation: at first, put the milk with water in a saucepan, then add garlic cloves and boil the mixture in an open saucepan in moderate heat, stirring continuously until the mixture reduces to half of its quantity. After that, strain the mixture and added sugar. Serve hot. Health benefit of garlic milk: cardiac problem. Tryptophan reduce the LDL cholesterols known as bad cholesterols in the body. They prevent formation of clot, thus enhancing circulatory health. That's why drinking garlic milk using skimmed or low-fat milk is very effective for revealing cardiac problems. Asthma: you can use only 3 cloves of garlic every night for excellent result in combating asthma. Pneumonia: garlic milk decocting taken thrice a day is also an effective remedy for pneumonia. Curing jaundice: garlic helps the body to get rid of unwanted toxins by activating the liver enzymes. The liver needs sulfur to detoxify the body from toxins. Since garlic is a great source of sulfur, it is a healthy food for the liver, having amazing effect on the symptoms of fatty liver, loaded with allicin and selenium. Garlic enhances bile productions, reducing fat in the liver. That's why drinking garlic milk for 4 to 5 days helps curing jaundice. Arthritis: consuming garlic milk every day is very effective in reducing symptoms of arthritis such as pain and inflammation. Insomnia: the healthy garlic milk taken just before bedtime. Alternative insomnia: reducing sound sleep due to the soothing ingredient of garlic. Cough: garlic together with turmeric is a great remedy for the persistent cough. You can make garlic turmeric milk for treating these conditions. These antibacterial properties of garlic make it is an excellent remedy for cough. A mixture of honey and a garlic make an excellent expectorant to the productive relief from cough. Tuberculosis of lungs: garlic is highly effective in certain diseases of the chest. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is respective to numerous sulfur components present in garlic. Only a decoction of garlic boiled in milk is considered a wonderful drug of tuberculosis. 1 gram of garlic, 240 grams of milk, 1 liter of water are boiled together until only 1/4 of the decoction remains. You should take this remedy thrice a day. Cholesterol: if you drink warm garlic milk continuously for over a week, it will help you to reduce the low density LDL cholesterol known as bad cholesterol, thereby increasing high density lipoprotein. HDL is the good cholesterol in the body. Sciatica: garlic milk is one of the most popular natural remedy for curing sciatica nerve pain. Drinking this milk over the period to reduce the sciatica pain effectively.